Well, hello everyone. Today is Friday, October the 21st, 2022. I'm in here showing you the back bedroom ceiling. Let me see if I can get square. But Robert got it finished. We like it. Somebody else might not, but we do. There's a manhole going up to the attic if we ever need it. Then we got air conditioner duct and a light. And above me will be a fire extinguisher. No, fire alarm. But yeah, this is the back bedroom. Then we go out and there's a little foyer that will be between the two bedrooms and a bathroom. Then we go into the third bedroom. That was the fourth bedroom. And he's about got this ceiling finished. So it's got a little sheen to it. That's fine. With the lights shining on it like that. He hopes to finish this bedroom tomorrow. We did find out that every one of the boards, if we're going to paint them before they go up, they have to have two coats on them. So that's taking twice as long, but they'll have a good finish on them, and that's the main thing. Once they go up, the ceiling itself is finished. Then he's got to trim in around the ductwork. We'll put up the lights, and then we got to come in and decide what we're going to do with the walls. This is the ceilings in here that he hasn't finished. And show you the beautiful ceiling in the hall. We call it the hall. It's big enough to be a banquet hall, I guess you could say. But yeah, every board has to have two coats on it. There's some of the boards laid out. First, they have to be sanded. We did determine that they needed to be sanded before we painted them. Some of them had foot marks. Some of them had just, bandsaw marks or something. So they all had to have sanding. Then once the boards have had their first coat, then they've got to be sanded again to kind of take the roughness off. And then that's where like I say, there's double the work than what we thought it was going to be. But when they go up, they're finished. Don't have to worry with them again. Got a couple of them stacked up, standing up, that done been finished. I know the first coat, maybe the second coat. I haven't asked, so determine then what those have got to be done with. But just a little update as to what has been happening here at the log house build, or log home, and one day at a time. So Robert hopes to have a video out maybe latter part of the weekend, part 2. So look, y'all, if you're interested in keeping up with us, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time a video goes up, and hit the like button so other people will have the opportunity. That makes the like button makes them show in the feed, so other people might get the opportunity to watch us. Well, look, y'all have a great afternoon and a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye.